So what's going on, guys, this is Divanshu. In this video we're going to taking a look at Legion OS version 2.9. So let's get started. So guys, the last build of this ROM is not that up to mark for me. The battery life was not that great, the performance is not that great, so I didn't make the video on that one. But the new build has came, and it has a pretty nice customizations. As you could see, the notification shade has been customized, and as you could see, the it looks pretty nice and it looks pretty different from the other ROMs out there. And let me just jump into the settings and show you the dedicated option that you can get from this ROM, that is Legion settings. And from here you can customize everything you want for this ROM. I can say literally everything you can customize, from navigation bar to animations to the status bar to the gestures to the theming, everything. So let me just show you the status bar customizations. As you can see, the status bar customization now is similar to the other ROMs in my opinion. They are lock screen and lock screen customization. You have a bunch of options that you can change here and customize it. In power menu you have background filter option that you can change and make the this power menu bit more customized. And there are animations, there are bunch of animation that you can change here, from the power menu animation to the activity close animation and the other animations. QS style animation you can change. Let me just show you the rotate one. When you turn this on, it will rotate. But I didn't like this animation, so I'm gonna stick to the no animation. And there are other customization that you can also do, but I'm not going to show you every customization because the video will be too long. So this is the main highlight of this ROM, the customization that you can get from this ROM. And the performance is pretty nice for this ROM. I've not tested any games or anything in this ROM, but in my opinion, while my testing, this ROM has a pretty good performance. And there is a special option of wallpaper, from where you can download or apply the wallpapers that are specific made for this ROM. As you can see, there are more than 5 categories of the wallpapers that you can get, which in my opinion which is very good. And from here you can see every other wallpapers. As you can see, there are two cameras here, normal camera and a snapdragon camera. Normal camera is the camera that you can get from the every Android 10 ROM, and a snapdragon camera is from, as you know, the snapdragon phones. So in my opinion, both camera apps are not that great, not up to the mark. You can use Google camera for video recording as well as photo, which will give you a better result while shooting with this phone. And it has a 13 MP camera, so Google camera is must to use. And every other thing is similar. There are not any differences between the other ROMs and this, just some of the features that you can get from this ROM. Performance is in my opinion pretty good. And if you want me to test the gaming and everything, just comment it out. I will test the games that you want me to test in this ROM. So this is the review. Hit the like button if you like the video. Sub would be great. And so go ahead, check the installation.